The word ally is derived from words meaning combine, unite, and bind for the purpose of cooperation and protection. And today it generally refers to the people we foster relationships with for mutual support. When we're unable or unwilling to stand together for common good, we lack the confidence that comes with social support, threatening to take the wind out of our sails and preventing us from moving forward. And yet, when we do foster positive relationships with allies, we create valuable bonds of trust, consistency, and accountability, becoming a force for good that puts wind in our sails for continued movement forward. The question becomes, who are your allies? And how are you honoring those relationships?